this needs to be cleaned. I know that this can look scary to some, but it's actually pretty easy to clean your lenses on your own without damaging them. Let me tell you a little secret about how to find out if it's time to do the cleaning. First, you're gonna wanna take your camera and take some pictures of either a white picture on your PC or of a white wall in your house. In my case, I'll go with a white picture on my screen right here. Then you'll want your camera to be set in manual mode with the lowest ISO, which in my case is 100. Then you're going to set it at the highest F you have, which anywhere over F20 should work. We're doing this in order to get every bit of dust in focus. And lastly, we're going to increase the shutter in order to get the histogram off to the right-hand side, meaning we're overexposing the shot right here. Once you have a couple of photos, you'll want to open Lightroom on your laptop and import those photos. Then we're going to go into the erase tool, and after you click on it, you'll see this thing called visualize spots that you need to click. This right here will highlight the dust spots that couldn't be visible otherwise. And make sure you increase it to the max so that you can see all of them. In my case, you can tell I care about my camera by keeping it pretty clean. We only have a big spot right in the middle and some really insignificant ones all around. So now that we know how we can see the dust, let's get into the practical part. Here's what you'll need: a lens pin, a small microfiber cloth, a puff of air, and a lens cleaning solution. All right, first things first, start with a puff of air. Hold the lens with the front element facing down and then gently squeeze to puff a bit of air to loosen any dirt or debris. This prevents dust from being pushed into the lens. Now, I know that this will seem obvious, but it is easy to forget to make sure that the camera is turned off when you're changing lenses. Otherwise, the sensor develops a slight static charge when the camera is on, and that static charge will attract any nearby dust that falls into the body opening. Also, always try to replace lenses with the body pointing down. That helps prevent dust from falling in. You would actually be surprised how much dust rests on the lens where it joins the body of the camera. Next, grab your lens pin and use the brush end to sweep away any remaining particles. Use light, gentle strokes to avoid scratching the lens surface. Now, take your lens cleaning solution of choice and apply a few drops to a clean microfiber cloth. And a very important rule, never apply the solution directly to the lens. Now, gently wipe the lens in a circular motion, starting in the center and slowly making your way outwards. Now, in case you have one of those stubborn spots, use the marker end of your lens pen. Just make gentle circular motions to remove any remaining smudges. Interestingly, most cameras have a cleaning mode that induces a slight vibration to help clear dust, and most people have it turned off, but it's worth a try before taking a more drastic approach. When changing camera lenses, I always make sure to prepare the new lens in advance to minimize time with a live opening. Now that this beauty is clean, we'll follow the same test by taking a picture of a white background and importing it into Lightroom in order to see if there are any spots left. I hope this process helped, and in case you have any questions or want to share your own lens cleaning tips, drop a comment below and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!